So these are the key concepts in sustainability issues. So first one is ecology. What does it mean? The ecological dimension of sustainability includes the environmental impacts of human activities. Our planet provides essential resources for survival, but industrial evolution actually unleashed a cascade of environmental problems, which adds on to our current climate crisis. Corporate pursuits for economic growth have often prioritized short-term gains over long-term environmental sustainability. And that's why we are looking at lots and lots of examples of deforestation, loss of habitat, and extinction of various types of species. And one of the major issues now we can look and see all the countries around the world are talking about is carbon emission. So United Nations has already recognized the urgency of all these challenges, and they have included several targets throughout their Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs), which is directed to relate or promote or protect our planet in terms of sustainable cities, sustainable consumption, water protection, energy, sustainable energy usage. So you can always look into those sustainability goals and see how these things are related or interconnected with the ecological safety for our own benefit. Then we have society. So sustainability also includes some social dimension. We cannot really ignore the society that are around us, that are living on the planet, and obviously any environmental issues will have an impact on the society. And we need to recognize the diverse needs and aspirations of human society across the globe. And achieving sustainability will require addressing each and every issue that relates with health, equity, and cultural preservation. That's why one of the fundamental principles of any sustainability related issues are going to always be looked at equitable access to resources and opportunities for all human being living in this planet. Final concept relates with sustainability, and we have to always acknowledge that this is the economic dimension, and this is the role or relationship between environmental sustainability and economic growth. And always this does not always go hand in hand, because you may need to sometimes pick and choose which one you want to address more. Do you want to go for economic growth, or are you focusing more on environmental sustainability? Sometimes you might see that countries who has already reached to a specific stage in the economic growth are now advocating more toward environmental sustainability. So economic prosperity is already always a desirable goal for any country, for any government. However, we need to understand that it might have a detrimental impact on the environment. And if you look at the historical data on carbon emission, you can see when a country is actually growing, it emits a lot more carbon in atmosphere. So that always gives or demonstrate the challenge we always see in terms of balancing the need for economic growth and environmental protection, or addressing sustainability agendas. The concept of economic sustainability has given a rise of another concept called triple bottom line framework. We will talk about it in future videos.